The ultimate in-game keyboard, the Keychron Q6 Ultra. Let's open this up. The box is a little damaged, but hopefully it's okay. Comes with this USB-C cable, some extra keycaps. First impressions, this thing has got some weight to it. Very cool design on the back. Oh, wow. These switches feel amazing. It's kind of hard to see, but the keycaps almost have like a divot spoon type groove, so your fingers fit like a glove in the keys. And of course we have RGB, fully aluminum case. This is like the filet mignon of gaming keyboards. 8K polling rate, ZMK, 660 hour battery life. That's insane. This is tri-mode connectivity, so Bluetooth, USB-C, or with a 2.4 dongle, and that's where the extra battery is going to come in handy. Compatible with Mac or Windows, hot swappable keys, and I got this keyboard with one of my favorite switches, these creamy banana switches. For some reason, the banana switch is my favorite typing experience. Hot take? The Keychron Q6 Ultra is the ultimate pro gaming keyboard, and if you were to feel and use this keyboard, you would understand why. But now for what you really want to hear, the sound test. I'll leave you that link below.